Let's look at this. This is the first term. The common difference is this minus this. That is 4 over 3 minus 1. You agree with me? Going to have 4 minus 3, which is 1 over 3. Okay? We can further confirm by saying 5 over 3 minus 4 over 3. So it's 1 over 3. So the common difference is 1 over 3. Okay? So now, what is the third term? We simply use this because we are told that it's what? AP. Okay? Please note that this revision, we have done a lot of this. Okay? We are simply reversing. So that is third term. The first term is 1 plus n is 10. The d is 1 over 3. That is 1 plus 9 multiplied by 1 over 3. 3 here, 1, 3 here, 3. It means, therefore, this is 4. 1 plus 3 is 4. So the 10th term is 4. Okay? We are asked to find the sum of terms up to 6010. Okay? We put out the formula, okay? What term are we talking about? 16. 16 over 2. The common difference is 1 over 3. Okay? That is 8. This is 32 plus 15 over 1 over 3. Okay? This here 1, this here 5. We have 8, 32 plus 5. This will give us 8 multiplied by 37. What is 8 multiplied by 37? 56. This is the final answer for the sum of the first 60 terms. Okay? All this understood. Thank you for viewing.